back to another episode of Rosengold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Everything is everything.
We're at the Angelica movie theater getting ready to watch Black Panther, Wakanda Forever. And Dr. Ross and I are both going to be in the trilogy, the MCU. So Ryan Coogler, Kevin Feige, watch out for International King and Dr. Ross, the new innovators and the new Black Panther.
Wakanda forever!
But let's get into our hot topics, starting it off with our She's Hot contest.
That's right. For our She's Hot contest, our winner is Miss Gisele. Congratulations on your win, Miss Gisele. If you don't know who Miss Gisele is, she's a gorgeous supermodel, previously married to Tom Brady, but that actually leads us into our hot topic about her. Gisele just bought a house for $11.5 million across from Tom Brady. So, what are your thoughts on this, IK?
I see that she's taken a little bit from the note of The Great Gatsby. She might even host a lot of parties, have Tom Brady look at her from across the lake.
I'm tired of dealing with you lame ass hoes. You can get hit with a cane, hoe. And yeah, I'm talking about Slick Rick.
But with Miss Gisele, I know Tom is great with the football, but Gisele is a vixen, and she is a 10 at that, Dr. Ross. She certainly deserves this win, and you know she has big things going on. She actually just got back from a trip not too long ago to Costa Rica, I believe.
Oh, wow.
So,
congratulations, Miss Gisele, for taking that trip, because we know that you wanted to take the trip to Brazil with Tom Brady, and Tom chose the football field, so it's good that you're going out and traveling and enjoying yourself. So, that's what we're happy to hear.
Yes, sir.
Miss Gisele, I'm looking to get into the modeling world. I'm looking to have your input. I'd like to take you out to lunch, brunch, and or dinner. That's for me. Keep on doing you, Miss Gisele, and keep on being hot. I look forward to seeing you in Miami.
What going on in Miami, bro? Boy, she would've got in that bitch. No!
We're gonna go ahead and mention that there was a school teacher who showed off all of her week outfits, and she was saying that people are saying that this is making them want to go back to school. So that's a pretty short topic, but scandalous. She must have been dressing scandalous.
No cap.
And next, for our next hot topic, we have Live Wire, a book by Kelly Ripa called long-winded short stories called Live Wire. We're excited to read this book. This book just came in the mail, and IK and I are so excited to read this book. Kelly Ripa, I was reading a little bit of the book jacket, and you did fantastic. I already feel like you've put a lot of work into this book, and IK and I are looking forward to being on your show.
We're big fans of Miss Big Ripper. Stay up, Miss Ripper. And we also have our own book, Taylor's Perfect Birthday, along with the Taylor series, which is dedicated to Taylor Swift. If you'd like to purchase our book, you can purchase it at the link down below from eBooks, Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Walmart, Target, and many other online retailers. Along with the Jamaican shampoo at www.jamaicanshampoo.com. Let's get into our next hot topic with Adidas and Kanye West. So, Kanye West, he messed up that whole deal, so now Adidas is saying, we're going to take his designs and they're going to sell them without paying Kanye anything.
As they should.
Kanye messed up. Now he's not only getting no money, but they're selling his designs.
That's right.
Let's get into our next hot topic.
This is our last and final hot topic. For our last hot topic, we have the I Wanna Dance With Somebody trailer recently came out. So this is the movie or biopic about Whitney Houston, and it sounds like it's getting pretty good reviews already. So IK and I will give you all an in-depth review when that does release and when we go to see it. So let's go see our movie, The Wakanda Forever.
We'll see you in the next episode. We're out.